Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. So we're in the garage today with the 690. Today we are fitting the stuff that we got from NiceCNC to the 690. We did a video a couple of weeks ago with the 350 EXC-F. If you haven't seen that video, it's up there or somewhere I'll put a link to it if you haven't seen that, but just watch this first. So we're going to fit the bling, the aftermarket part, the quality aftermarket part to the 690. As they say, fancy a bit of that? Stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
So yeah, this week is the turn of the 690 to install the parts that we got from NiceCNC. This was one of the parts, which is the fuel filler cap for the 690. What happens with these is that because of where it is, there's dirt and stuff in there. It also gets in here with them in the moulding, and I believe that if you don't look after the locking mechanism of it, and it's only a bit of plastic, and it's not a brilliant piece it's not a brilliant thing, and if you don't keep lubing it, as they say, never go in a hole dry, you end up snapping your key. You snap your key in the filler cap, so you can't put fuel in it, and also you can't start the bike because the bike has a key, unlike the 350 that we ride. So the guys over at NiceCNC have come up with this really nice piece of anodized aluminium, which to me looks like it's actually machined out of one piece. It's not sort of codged together. As you can see here, as you can hear, it's quite a solid bit of kit. It just looks like it's going to do the job that it's supposed to do. Let's get it fitted, eh? So the kit comes with all the stuff you need. You can't use the original fixings that come with it because the difference in thickness, because the cap goes into the indentation on the back of the bike and locks on. With the one from NiceCNC, it has the cap on the top, so the thickness is different, so we need to use different bolts, which they all come with it, and they look stainless to me. They come in the full packet, so everything's there that you need. Really easy to do. One thing I would recommend, if you're going to do this, do it in an open environment. Don't do it in a tiny little shed, because you're going to get some fumes out of here. Before you take this off, have a clean round. As you can see, we've cleaned it up. You need a T25 to take it off, but something else to put it back on. It's only three bolts, three cap head screws, really. That's all they are. As you're taking it off, you'll probably be able to see that there's some dirt coming off. Try not to let it get into your fuel tank, and don't drop one of your nuts in your fuel tank neither, so just be careful with them. I can see that probably the reason why that the original one fails is because this breather pipe here goes under the seat, and it looks like it's exposed somewhere underneath the mudguard, so that water, mud and everything that's coming through gets into this here and then creates a bit of a problem. That's a breather that it has on it. So as you can see, it's there's a bit of dirt and crud and stuff all about. So that's what I'm going to do with that, because to get rid of all this crud in here, we'll take the Viton O-ring off, because we're going to need that, because we need that for the new installation. Give it a bit of a clean with some brake cleaner. So now we've cleaned the area of where we're going to fit the new one. So I'm going to leave that in for a minute, because I don't want to drop any anything down into the fuel tank. So the breather, all it does is make it easier. Take the cap off. It'll make installation a little bit easier. I'll put the O-ring on the back, on the front, on the back. and that fits into the complete orifice, into the indentation within the back of the bike. 3mm Allen key to go back in. Forgot to put the safety wire. The safety wire which goes onto the cap so you don't lose the cap. I think it goes onto that there. I would say it will do. The torque settings of these probably isn't going to be 60 Newton meters, are they? So just be careful. I don't know whether I probably should have a little bit of Loctite on them, but we'll see how it goes. You're going to think now, weren't you? You're all going to shout at me. What about your rag inside? I'm going to take that out now. 3 bolts on, 3 bolts off. Dead easy. You too can do this at home. As I said last week, we have a discount code for the NiceCNC. It's simonbvlogger. So you get yourself 11% off at the shop. So that's the aluminium filler cap for the back. Nothing wrong with that, is there? Let's fit the other thing, shall we? What is the other thing? Oh yeah, it's the Kickstand Extender. We'll see what that does. Alright, see you in a bit. So the second thing we're going to fit today is this little piece of kit. Now this is a Kickstand Extender. On a 690 it already has a piece of metal on it, on the kickstand, to allow you to put the kickstand up. The problem is when you put extended footrest on it, when you've got boots on, you can't get it because it's in line with the extended foot pegs. So this gadget allows you to put it on your kickstand and to tailor it into a way that you can, to make it easier to put the kickstand up. It's a dead simple bit of kit. Same again, anodised aluminium, machined, so it goes on the kickstand that way up, so your boot will hit this flat bit. And I've just tried it on just to see in what position it would be, and it sort of goes there. You should be able to see is that now that is at a different angle than that. It's on the opposite side. On the standard one, you're trying to hit this with your foot, which you can't really. I'll tell you what, I'll put my boots on and I'll explain to you how it works. So hopefully you can see there, which you should be able to. A better look. You're always trying to put the kickstand up with your toes, and same as that. But then this gets in the way. So what this allows you to do, it allows you to put your heel on it. It's on the stand here, and go straight up. And as you go past your foot pegs, your foot pegs move. The thing goes down easy, but when you're trying to do this with it, it gets in the way. So now you can just put your heel on it there and just put it away like that. So it's just a nice little bit of kit that allows you to put your kickstand up. I don't know if anybody else out there has them problems, but when you're riding lanes in the Lake District and you're opening and shutting gates all the time, getting off and getting on and getting off it, to put the kickstand down, it's no problem. It's getting it back up, and trying to do it with the big foot pegs, it's quite difficult. But now that, hopefully, now that I get my heel on it, I just have to remember that to put it up, we put the heel on, and it'll go up dead easy. So yeah, real job. Who thought of that? I don't know. As I said before, check out the link down below to NiceCNC. It's in the description box below, big box that says description, and it tells you everything in there, all the thing about this video that we're talking about. Don't ask in the comments where you can buy it from, because it's all down there. So yeah, a couple of nice bits for the 690 for NiceCNC. Thanks very much to NiceCNC for sending me the gear. Hope you're going to send me some more. You never know. As I said before, links in the description down below. Discount code simonb11, 11% off everything on the entire website. Thanks for watching to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Thanks very much. If you're new here and you've only stumbled across us and you like this sort of bit of stuff, you know, we not only ride enduro bikes, we might start putting a few bits of routes on the mountain bike at the moment. I don't know yet. I don't know how you lot will feel about that. It'll be something different. If you just joined us, yes, subscribe please. click that subscription button. Click that subscription button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. Thanks very much. Give us the thumbs up, drop us a comment. Gets the algorithms going and it starts sharing around YouTube. Share it to your friends, etc. I don't know. Share the code. Get it out. Tell everybody. NiceCNC. If you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. Thanks for watching, and as they say, we'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.